This is the ASL 2 Health Vocabulary. This is Unit 8. There's also some landscape and nature vocabulary. All right. Allergies, ambulance, better, blind, break, blood, chicken pox, head cold, cough, doctor, emergency, feel, fever, head, heal or recover, heart. This is your physical heart, the organ. Your emotional heart is this. So heart, your physical heart. Heart attack, hospital, signed with an H, hand shape. Improve, to get worse. Interpret, medicine. Nauseated. Operate, and this is a locational sign, so it can be used in other places to show specific locations of operations. Patient, as in a patient, someone in the hospital. Pill, to take a pill. Postpone, sneeze, sore throat, sprain, shot, to get a shot. Remove tonsils. Temperature, vomit, weight, to lose weight, to gain weight. And the landscape and nature vocabulary. Beach, but I've also seen beach. I tend to use beach. Desert, flower, hill, island, lake. Lake is also sometimes fingerspelled. Land, moon, mountain, ocean, plant, river, star, sun, tree, and a forest would be multiple trees, or a jungle, and valley.